Now notice this image is not yet retouched. We have this one, we also have this one. You can see the face has a lot of hair, and we have this one as well, which is the hair below. You can see how rough it is, and some places like this which is not yet covered. So how do we treat something like this? Of course, you know, I've showed you all the tools, and this time around this is where the LAZZO tool is very, very important, because you can use the patch tool. The patch tool, if I use the patch tool here, like take it like this and drag it down. Sorry, I'm on the mask. Let me get rid of the mask. Delete. Oh god, Ctrl Z. Delete the mask. Delete. All right, so now if I drag it down, you can see what it creates. So this is now here the perfect place to use the patch tool. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Z, Z. All right, so oh come on, redo, edit, redo. All right, so now what tool do you need to use? You need to use this one, because when I'm dealing with hair, that's the tool I use. I'm just going to select somewhere and make it, you can make it very straight and very clean like this, and make sure you use the clone stamp tool, not the brush tool. So sample an area, because not all place is going to be white. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Let's do it again. Sample an area, and let's drag and drag and drag like that. Ctrl D to deselect, and we have that. And this one as well, I want to remove this. You can just grab this one too and just make it straight, the clone stamp tool, and drag like that. So that's how to use. Ctrl D to deselect. Let's take a look at this one. Let's see, we want to remove all this. You can just take the clone stamp tool and, you know, select a particular place. Sorry, the LAZZO tool rather. Select a particular place, and then you can take the clone stamp tool, and you know what to do. Hold and Alt, select, and you can fill it. So it depends. Keep filling, keep filling. I'm just showing you, I'm doing a rough job though, so it's going to be looking ugly when I zoom out, so you can see. But when I do frequency separation on what I just did, like taking the mixer tool brush and blending things together, but not with this method. I'm just trying to show you that when you look at it from the far, it's just going to disappear. But there's a method to do when you use that tool. Ctrl D, Ctrl Z, 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 Z. So what we just did, that's not how to actually use it, but I'm just showing you how the tool works. If I want to do it, I'm going to make the clone stamp tool very small, and then I'm just going to pick a place, control this, and then I'm going to start drawing little by little, and pick a place, hold and Alt, select, and draw little by little, and keep going. You can see how I'm doing it. Draw little by little and keep going. Hold on, draw little by little till I finish everything. Draw little by little. I'm going to draw little by little here, like this. Hold and Alt, draw little by little. Hold and Alt, draw little. Sorry, hold and Alt, draw little by little. So in that way, it's not going to be noticeable. You keep doing it till you finish your retouching. So something like this. I can even sample here and draw little by little. So once you start getting somewhere there, so that's how you need to take your time for that, and it's going to restrict it to this place. Okay, but there's other method to remove hair on the body. We're going to talk about it during the course of the teaching. Okay, so that's for all the tools I've talked about. Now we're going to go into the tutorial proper, so that when I'm using all these tools, you won't be surprised what's going on.